Hiccup, 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 hiccup. Yes, it is hiccup in babies. So in our African settings, I have seen whereby if a child has hiccup, mothers would get a thread and put it on the forehead of their babies. Does it really work? I would like to know. So hiccup is an involuntary contraction of their diaphragm, hereby causing hiccup. Some mothers would be like, then what is the cause of hiccup? Here are some of the causes of hiccup. Number 1, overfeeding that child. Why are you overfeeding them? Because it will cause hiccup. Number 2, it is feeding the baby very fast. If you are in a hurry, please hand that assignment to someone else to help you. Number 3, it is when the child is breastfeeding and they are gossiping the hair, that is going to cause hiccup. Number 4, it is stress. Babies can be stressful sometimes. Number 5, it is change in temperature in the stomach. This time you are giving formula, the other time breast milk. That can cause hiccup at times. So then the other question that our mothers are asking, how then can we prevent this hiccup? Because it is very discomforting to our babies. Let me give you some of the things that you can do. So when you are feeding the child, make sure you are feeding them slowly but very fast. You are going to cause hiccup. Number 2, it is don't overfeed the child. When the child is full, stop feeding the child. Number 3, it is every time you are feeding the child, you have to put your child in an upright position. You put them like in an upright position. It's just that I don't have a door. And then you will be feeding them in this way, in an upright position. It will help the food to go very well in their stomach, intestines, without any reflux at any point. Number 3, anytime you are from feeding that baby of yours, get the baby, put that child on your shoulder like this, and allow the child to burp. The other thing that you can do, as the child is on the shoulder here, try to rub the back of the child, as it will also help the child to burp fast. These are some of the things you can do to prevent, stop, or reduce hiccup. You understand? So now, mothers would ask, how can I know that this hiccup is serious? When do I take my child to the hospital? My mothers, when your hiccup, that hiccup of your child is persistent for more than 24 hours, rush that child to your nearest hospital. Number 2, if that hiccup is accompanied by vomiting, please rush your child to the hospital. If that hiccup again is accompanied by cough, the child is doing hiccup and they are also coughing, hey, please rush your child to the hospital. These are some of the things that you can notice, that can help you notice that this hiccup is a danger. So, my mothers out there, let us do the right thing and help stop, prevent, or reduce hiccup. I love you all. It has been your girl, Clara Chisala. God bless you all.